Okay, A number. Every week the money is. I'll just say the answer, or should I? Okay, I'll ask anyway. Kavya.
Collected by teacher.
No.
3A number, Kavya. 3A. Have you done it?
Collected.
You're going to have to read the sentence, Kavya, and say that with it.
Every week the money is collected by the teacher.
Okay. Ellen, मलाई थाहा छैन म के गर्ने त्यसपछि. I have sent these pictures in group, I think, have I?
No.
The answer that Kavya said is correct. So I'm again repeating this one more time. We're trying to give him, in this kind of sentences, we're trying to, she said every week the money is collected by the teacher. So the normal sentence will be the teacher, yes.
F number
Okay, you can do it now, Kavya, you can do it now, no problem. I'm so sorry. I don't know, I get confused. I sent picture to class 4. Maybe I sent it 2 times to them and I was supposed to send it to you. I am so sorry. Yes.
मलाई बुकको पेज मात्र भन्नु न मेरोमा कस्तो चाहिँ बाङ्गे बाङ्गे आइरहेछ.
Okay, बुकको पेज नम्बर. Wait.
प्रतीक्षा बुकको पेज नम्बर
तपाईले यो गर्नु भएको छ करेक्सन हाल त करेक्सन गरिरहेछ नि त. पेज नम्बर 58 and 59. 58, 59. B number, Jasmine, B number.
The work is being did by the working.
Oh, I remember now. I sent you the picture of Jasmine. Your answer is not correct because verb 3 of do is done, not done.
No.
So done, yes, is being done. So Jasmine, I want you to correct that. And I remember now, I sent you the picture, but I sent you the picture of verb 3s. I thought I didn't send you the picture of this one. I sent you like verb 1, verb 2, verb 3s, that whole tables picture. Now I remember. So, okay, I will send this again after that.
Incorrect meeting password.
Okay, Naitik. So, B number done. The work is being done by 10 workmen, right? So normal sentence is 10 workmen are doing the work. But if you want to give importance to the work, not the worker, those workmen, then you will say the work is being done by the 10 workmen comes at last. Okay, so this is a different kind of sentence than the kind that we normally use. Okay, C number Ranjan.
Branch of the tree had been broken by the wind.
Correct, Ranjan. Thank you. Again, giving importance to the work. What has been done is given importance than who did it. So, thank you, Ranjan. D number. Ellen, D number. Ellen, D number.
Yes, sir. The thief saw Mr. Thapa.
Have the thief have? There is the thief was.
No.
The thief was.
No.
Protector.
Yes, Marisha.
Phone number ko hai ani phone number ko bujhena.
Ma 3 number ma छु so I'll come to phone number. I mean 3 number correction. So yes, Ellen, we are waiting for the answer. Wait, Marisha, I will do phone number. We are doing correction of 3 numbers, so do the correction. Ellen, D number. The thief.
The thief saw Mr. Thapa catched by policeman.
Okay, everyone mute. Ellen, you change the sentence. तपाईले खाली त्यो verb को ठाउँमा verb 3 हाल्नु पर्ने ठाउँमा तपाईले verb 3 पनि हाल्नु भएन अनि was लाई पनि has बनाइदिनु भयो. So the thief was छ question मा Ellen हेर्नुस् त राम्ररी बुकमा हेर्नुस् मेरो स्क्रिनमा हेर्नुस्. The thief was छ. So the thief was seen by verb 3
Seen,
seen by. So, and verb 3 of catch, what is verb 3 of catch? Who can tell me?
Caught.
Caught,
Caught.
yes. CAUGST, caught is correct. So, was caught by a policeman, Ellen. So, you have to do double correction in both of the verbs. Was seen, come.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, once again say the page number
58 and 59, Ellen.
58. म 51 वनेर रहेछ
भन्नुको मतलब तपाईँ गर्नु त भएको छैन रहेछ एलियन वी आर डुइङ करेक्सन तपाईँले गरेको छैन द्याट इज
त्यो
वी आर डुइङ करेक्सन एलियन यु सपोज टु फिनिस इट अहिले तपाईँले सकाइसक्नु
He hasn't done, I think.
ओके एफ नम्बर ई नम्बर रोजन यस
Of 3 number or 4 number?
3 नम्बर रोजन
When we arrived, the school was being painted.
being painted, right? And in this sentence, I want you to understand that there is no colleague.
What, sir? I didn't listen.
The school was being painted, and you can look in this sentence. This is a good example of how you can ignore कसले काम गर्यो कसले गर्यो भनेर भनेकै छैन खाली the school was being painted. We don't know who did it. So this is the kind of sentence where we don't say कसले काम गरेको थियो. We just give importance to the work. School was being painted. That's it. You don't say who did it. You don't give importance to the one who does the work. I'm trying to say it again and again. Apeksha, okay, F number. Apeksha G, F number.
There was no meat on the table because it had been eaten by the dog.
Eaten by the dog. Okay, correct. So eaten here. There was no meat on the table because it had been eaten by the dog. The reason that I'm explaining it every answer after every answer, I'm explaining it why we are doing this. Because I don't just want you to complete writing this, in place of that bracket, verb, you're writing verb 3 and that's it, done. I want you to understand and take something away from this. Because every exercise that we do, we're doing it so that we learn a language that is English, right? So the learning language means you can speak, you can read, you can write, and you can understand, you can listen. So these 4 things, that's what we're focusing on. If you're able to finish this work and you're not being able to understand, you're not being able to speak, you're not being able to read or write, it means nothing. Okay, so I want you to be skillful. I don't just want you to fill your copies. So please try to listen to what I'm saying and do these works. Keep in your mind what you're doing, what you're trying to do, what is happening, what you're writing. Try to focus on that. And in that way, you don't need to practice a lot. Otherwise, if you just keep on writing, then you need to practice it 100 and more than that. But if you're very mindful of the details, what you're doing and understanding, then you don't need to. So please focus on that.
Mistake होती है
G number, Kanchan. G number, Kanchan.
The poetry will be read by one of the girls.
Yes, the poetry will be read by one of the girls. The spelling is same, but you're pronouncing it read, not a read, but the spelling is same. When it's verb 3, you pronounce it differently. Spelling still the same. Okay. So H number Aditya. Aditya, where are you? Aditya has mic problem. Okay, Aditya, you will just send it in chat, maybe. Paid. Okay, Aditya said paid. Verb 3, PAID, paid. The bill for the broken window will be paid by my father. The bill for the broken window will be paid, PAID, paid by my father. Correct, Aditya. So I number, I'm going to JJ's. JJ's I number. Yes, judges. Did you answer?
Coal was dug out of the ground by
तपाईँले अघि
coal
नै मलाई बोलाउनु
miners.
भएको थियो
थिएन
थिएन है
तर तपाईँ कहाँ हुनुहुन्थ्यो अघि न कहाँ हुनुहुन्थ्यो
म यता सब्मिट गर्नलाई होमवर्क के अरे फोन दिनु लाग्छ कि अन्त
Okay, Sapalta. We're doing correction of 3 number. Jejis, your answer is correct, but you changed that coal is into coal was. You don't need to do that. Coal is dug is correct. Okay, so no need to change it to coal was. Coal is dug out of the ground by coal miners. That's okay. Z number Sneha.
The cover of the books had been eaten by cockroach.
Yes, correct. Correct. Okay, that's the wrap. I would